Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today, I'm going to be taking this dead space in the garden and transforming it into a food-producing plant propagation area. It's going to remain productive throughout the winter months. And I'm going to accomplish that by placing a greenhouse right here, a 200 square foot greenhouse, so pretty large. And I'm hoping to be able to build it in about an hour. So stay tuned to see how it goes and what the finished product looks like. So the first step here is to clear this area of any debris. So I'm going to remove these bricks from this old garden bed here, level out the area, and then we'll begin the build. So as with many of the quick build low cost kits that you can pick up, the directions aren't always crystal clear. So I just wanted to go over the connection point here on the corner. If you are building this kit in particular, this should help you save a little bit of time. So this is the picture for the front end corner here. And that is how it should go together. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So here we are the following day. I was able to get the whole frame built and could have got the cover on as well yesterday, but it was dark and rainy. I wanted to film that process for you. Altogether, it took me about an hour, 45 minutes to build the frame. If I were to do it again using just the tools provided in the kit, which is what I did, probably get it done in about an hour. There are just a few little quirky things putting it together that I had to kind of learn as I went. But all in all, went together very easily. Now we're just putting on the final finishing touches, like press fitting on all the little plastic end caps that go at the end of each piece of conduit, as well as the bolts that are protruding out. So once I got all these little plastic pieces put on, we're going to throw the cover on. So essentially we're done. All I need to do now is anchor it to the ground. I'm also going to be putting some weed block cover on the ground so no weeds pop up. It's going to make for a nice clean space to do some gardening in. But one thing I really love about this design of greenhouse is that it has a nice door on either side. So a walk-through greenhouse design, and you can see how much headspace is above Alice there. I'm over 6 feet tall, and this was supposed to be 7 feet tall. It's not quite there. But there's plenty of space above my head for me to walk through and work around in here.
Still, it doesn't touch.
So I can feel the temperature shift in here already after just a couple minutes. Do you feel it?
I'm sweating.
It's warm in here. So it's also got all these nice windows that you can open up for airflow. You could obviously open up either one of the doors to allow more airflow in. I also need to go around and secure it to the frame with this Velcro. It's got 3 attachment points in each corner. And if you want to keep it rolled up while you're working in and out of here, it's got these nice clips. It's got 2 sets of clips actually, one for the screen and one for the outer shell. So that's convenient. And here's another look from the door opening. Very spacious. I'm going to be building some shelving in here as well. But this is going to conclude part 1 of the greenhouse build. I just wanted to put this out there. Time is of the essence. A lot of places like where I'm located, it's already raining quite a bit. So like I said, better late than never. We've got the greenhouse up now. Definitely before we have any storm come in, any heavy winds, I'm going to want to anchor this down. I've seen other videos and pictures of folks who didn't properly anchor down their greenhouse to have it blow away and become a mangled mess. So we want to avoid that. We can get some pretty heavy winds here, upwards of 40 miles per hour. So definitely want to secure this to the ground. All in all, I'm happy to have this up. And it literally took me about 5 minutes to get the cover on. So just a one-person job completed by myself. Anybody can do this. You don't need any special tools. And with just a few different additions, whether you're putting wood chips on the floor or you're adding in some shelving, you're adding in some heat mats, you can be growing all year round over the winter, getting your plant starts going early. That's why I wanted to put out this video, to encourage you guys and share with you my experience with this particular model. It's very cheap. It's under $250, and that's delivered free shipping with Prime. If you're interested, I will drop a link below this video. I do appreciate when you guys utilize the links that I share with you. I earn a small commission, costs you nothing extra. It's just a great way to show support and to patronize the channel. So that's going to do it for now. I sure do appreciate you all tuning in today. Stay tuned for part 2, where we do all the final finishing touches to this greenhouse and we start moving in some plants.